Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2015 C300 4MATIC. This one's black. Underneath it's a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo pushing out 241 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. This one has front and rear LED daytime running lights, 17-inch 5-spoke alloys. The tires are in good condition. Black MB-Tex interior. Come around back, C300 4MATIC badging. Plenty of space in the back here. Come alongside, this one does come with the Premium 1 package, which is going to give you a Burmeister sound system, burl walnut trim, heated seats, memory seats, power windows. Hopping in, we've got our steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, rear view backup camera, media display, dual climate controls, hard keys for media display, cup holders, touchpad and wheel for infotainment center, dynamic selects for different driving patterns. This C-Class has 37,166 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of the C300 4MATIC, check out feldmanimports.com.